How to play career mode in eFootball. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To play your career mode in eFootball, firstly you need to launch your eFootball application on your device. Make sure that your eFootball is up to date. Once you have launched your eFootball, you can select a club and compete in a league against AI or online opponents. You can manage your squad, tactics, and formations within this mode. This is because eFootball League does not have a different session or option of career mode. However, you can select on the match option, then select on eFootball League where you can see your current league placements and options to adjust matchmaking settings or your gameplay, that is, your formation and tactics. Now, eFootball has introduced a coaching system where you can hire coaches to develop your players. Also, you will get the chance to improve your training, that is, drills, or even boost your players, adding a strategic element for preparing for matches. While not a full-fledged career mode, these features provide element of team management and player development for a more immersive experience in eFootball. That is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.